Welcome to Diski Diary. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Right, before we get into that starting lineup, Yaga, Fernando da Cruz, remember Kaiser Chiefs playing Rangers, La Payana, Spain. It could potentially be Fernando da Cruz's first ever starting lineup. Remember, he plays a 4-2-3-1 formation. That is Fernando da Cruz. The players are very much familiar with that formation, Ben Yosef and Gaze, having played it before. So I don't think it's something that will be new in terms of the players. I think they will very much be able to adapt to that formation. That is Fernando da Cruz's first ever starting lineup. And I also have transfer news, the latest transfer drama. Indaba zaboCele, indaba zaboPhili, to prayers. I have all of those news for you guys. Updates. So don't go anywhere, guys. Argentina engene Final Four ngevosho. Lionel Messi, my favorite player on the planet, getting into the last four of the FIFA Club World Cup. Let us watch this video. Oh.
北の王、恐れ知らずのバイキング。これで全部か？なぜ立ち上がる？なぜだ！メシー。バカな！もうバカな！その弱さ、憧れの男譲りだな。あいつは強すぎる。勝てない。師匠、あなたの力が必要だ。Ronaldo guy.
Ho ho ho.
Enjoy. お前を待っていた。本当の力を見せてやる。伝説は本当だったのか。バカな。まさか青縁の覇王撃を放すのか。時代をかけた戦いがこうして始まるのか。師匠、ありえない。あいつを一撃で。
Yeah, that is Kaiser Chiefs buffet to Upili. There is that offer proposed, but 12 million on the table plus Ashley to pray. But I don't think that makes any sense. I think Ashley to pray compared to Pili, Ashley to pray definitely has more value. I think the Chiefs, they definitely should be looking to sign Upili just straight up without that swap deal. But yeah, there is a swap deal on the table in Jonga Senisville Bafetu. Right, and then Orolani Mokwena is parted ways with his team. Al Ittihad, remember, just recently made that move. I think it was in Jan. Unfortunately, I didn't like the way he left or he departed his former team. That is Rulani Mokwena Lapayana, I think it was Belois that he had a good thing going there, and I think he was about to win the championship, and then suddenly he jumped ship. And yeah, the grass is not always greener on the other side of the fence. I think he's still a young man and he's learning his craft, and he will definitely need to learn more things about loyalty. That is Rulani Mokwena. Rest in peace to Jaden Adams. Jaden Adams, let's us give him a moment of silence. Right, Sasela in Morocco, Bafetu, Jaden Adams, unfortunately, the good die young, what a talented young man. Having recently made that move, Mamelodi Sundowns, everybody was saying that he was not going to play, whatever. We saw him getting into the team. Unfortunately, lost his place. He lost his place during the AFCON, but the character that he had, he was able to maintain or regain his place, Lapano Mamelodi Sundowns, and recently won a place to play in the World Cup. And what a nice touch by FIFA to give him a tribute. If you watch that game, Argentina and Norway with my favorite set of fans, they are out of the World Cup, unfortunately. However, I'm happy that my team, Argentina, is through to the last four. I doubt that they will win the World Cup. However, anything is possible in this World Cup. So yeah, bafethu ngifavor Argentina. Mina, I'm going with Lionel Messi. Even before Messi, even the days, the very first World Cup that I was fortunate to watch, that was I think it was 1990 in the US. That was the first World Cup I was fortunate to watch. Diego Maradona. That is when I fell in love with Argentina, and still I'm an Argentine fan. Bafethu, right? Ulilepo to AS FAR Rabat. Lilepo Bafethu to AS FAR. Yeah, those rumors, it's a transfer rumor. And remember, AS FAR Rabat is the same team. Chiefs ithathe AS FAR ama-coach. Uqale ngoNabi. Manje, okay, I know that Da Cruz was with the Moroccan FA, but he's the former coach of AS FAR. So yeah, Lilepo being linked with AS FAR. But as far as I know, there is an offer from France that was in January. If you watch the show, if you follow the show, I told you guys as far as Jan that there was an offer coming from France. Yeah, if you watch the show, drop the name of the team on comments. If you are watching, you can go into the channel and check the January transfer news that I was bringing to you guys. I did reveal that there is a team that is interested in Lilepo in France. Remember, Kaiser Chiefs signed Lilepo from France. Yeah, so Bafetu, and I'm very sad with Pumile because they brought the best fans to the US, and they brought the best fans into the world. If you watch Ama series and if you follow the Vikings, Ragnar. Yeah, that is the greatest Viking to ever live. So Bafetu, I'm a great fan of Norway. Unfortunately, they are out, and I'm happy that Lionel Messi is in. Umfukeng was spotted on the Liang Kaza. Umfukeng, Bafetu, let us support the young man. Stop, Kaiser Chiefs fans, stop bashing Umfukeng regarding the joke that he made regarding Gucci Chiefs is Opomola and Jombanga Seko. No, we spotted him holding his teammates' cell phones. Remember, guys, you need to respect your senior players. You need to respect your elders. For you young viewers, respect your elders. But for you too, that is Umfukeng. That is him holding his teammates' phone. That is his induction into the team. So yeah, he needs to humble himself. He needs to do what he needs to do in terms of Mabam Figisa Bafetu. Right, okay, let's get straight into his starting lineup saga. Fernando da Cruz, what could potentially be his first ever starting lineup. Right, I will also have Amalokuz and Ama new signings in this lineup. I have Ronaldo Lina in goal. That is Ronaldo Lina in goal. I have him in goal. And also Monyane, I have Monyane at right back. Remember Moloisane, the new signing, Utabo Moloisane. He's not. Everybody thinks he is Eden McCarthy's replacement. He's not really a left centre back. He is right-footed, so I have him at right centre back. Ahead of Kunika. Remember, we have the likes of Miguel and Kunika in that position. Msimang, I think he had the momentum at the end of the season. He was doing well. However, in terms of looking at the new signings, I'm going to have Omoloi Sane and partnering with Totli. Roshwin Totli coming in the lineup is exactly, it's like a new signing. Bafana International, I think the injury cishe yaqeda i-career yakhe, but he's done well. He's already been training with the team. Even before the season ended, he was training with the team. However, the defense was doing well and the coaches couldn't just change with Bam accommodated. So I have Roshun Totli at left center back alongside partnering with Thabo Sane, and I have Bradley Cross, who recently returned from the World Cup, at left back. And then double pivot, I have Mabo Nundlovu. Remember, Bafetu Cele is unhappy with Kaiser Chiefs. I already made a video about Thabo Cele. Yeah, so I'm not going to talk about Thabo Cele. And we also have the likes of Abu Matlo Bahambile in that position. And there is possibly an Argentine midfielder. If you watched the previous show, I already told you about the Argentine that could potentially slot into that position. And also Kaizer Chiefs are rumored to be after Ibrahim Bante. Ibrahim Bante from Callens. If there is an official announcement, I would like to see a new signing in this position. However, for now, we have Omabowe Nondlovu. Yeah, he's definitely spoiled for choice. Fernando da Cruz in that position. And ahead of them, I have Vilagazi. Remember, Sirino has left the team. The new number 10 is potentially going to be 10. Number 10 is going to be worn by Obrigado Bafetu. I have Obrigado ahead of Mabo Nundlovu. Duba as a right forward, and Shabalala on the other side. I know a lot of you would like to see Valebai with that pace on that side. Usually we would have Lilepo, but Lilepo didn't remember, he didn't travel with the team. So I have Utuba and Shabalala as the players, the right forward and the left forward. And Da Silva starting ahead of Umayo. Umayo recently signed a new contract. Unfortunately, he did not travel with the team. We don't know the reason why not. Probably maybe to iron out, that those details. I think he will join the team later on. But yeah, Mayo recently signed a new contract. However, he did not leave with the team. He was left behind in South Africa. So Da Silva starts ahead of Mayo. And we also have the likes of Abu Igudaro in that position. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, they definitely need to sign a striker or two, and also another Brazilian striker rumored to be joining Kaizer Chiefs. So guys, if you watch the show, drop your thoughts on comments. I already told you who that Brazilian striker could be. Right, guys, remember to give the show a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.